Hello out there, Ken Bailey here with Trinity Roofing and Construction. I'm out in Caddo Mills today on a blustery day, helping one of our friends out with a little issue they've got from wind damage from the storms earlier this week. This is a good opportunity for me to point out why it's so important to use a roofer that uses the proper components and materials. In this instance, you can see the shingles are blown off. However, underneath that is a synthetic underlayment. There's still a lot of roofers out there that use the old felt, and that's a problem when you have something like this happen because it doesn't shed the water. It absorbs it and retains it. In this instance, the proper products were used, so we've got that underlayment underneath there. So I'm going to get this buttoned up for them so that they're safe and secure until we complete the permanent repair. So make sure you're working with someone that understands the full process, and make sure that, everything is done properly so when the unexpected happens, you're still protected. Visit us at theroofexperts.com. We'd be happy to help you and your family. Thank you.